All right, guys, it is time to work on this old Charger. I've had it sitting here for quite a while. Yep, there's bricks holding the tarp down. Let's go ahead and uncover it. Ta-da, there it is, uncovered. All right, let's lay out the parts and start jacking it up. Yeah, kind of neglected the springs. I just got them laying under here, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pull them out. All right, so we've got swept up under here. I'm gonna go ahead and jack up the rear end and put it on some jack stands. Right, so we got the front chocked, got the rear sitting here on some jack stands. I'm gonna start and remove the rear wheels, and yeah, let's get to it. All right, we got one wheel off, and man, that is a dirty rotor. That's what 3 years of sitting does to a car. No, I honestly forgot how fat these wheels and tires were. Yep, that's the carpet from the trunk. It's pretty rusty. Look at all this rubber here from me doing burnouts. Oh yeah.
Mechanic Cat over here gonna give us a hand.
Say after sitting, oh man, so many spiders in this wheels. Disgusting. All right, Hunter has arrived with some tools, some pry bars. So yeah, right now we're trying to break this bolt here loose. And I realized since it is stuck in there, we're gonna have to unbolt it from here so we can get the whole leaf spring down. Give some nice hits here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that go. Right? How rude. There we go. Okay. Wow.
Well, the spring sprung.
Chrome on impact.
Oh.
What?
Just moving my light so it didn't get hit. Almost. So.
Oh. Hey, this is loosening quite nicely, actually.
I was making fun of my own stuff.
Oh. You know why? Because it got lubricated from my massive oil leaks. Right?
Pushed ahead of the game.
Ooh, and they're studs, so,
Well, then we should be able to drive it out if it's a stud and it's not spot welded.
Right. And what? Look for a bolt?
Yeah.
Just so.
Put a grade 8 in there, it'll be fine.
I agree. Nice.
Yeah, it went in.
Did it hit you?
I
hit your shin?
No,
Hit your hand?
it'll be
That
fine.
carpenter lifestyle, right?
Yeah, I'm used to it.
What?
DeWalt.
Oh. Hunter's not a fan. He's guarding the candy. Rambo. Wow. Restored. Like new. Perfect. New old stock.
Look at that. It's even smooth.
Hoo-hoo.
What do you know? You got gloves on.
People either really love or really hate. Is this leaf spring pack way thinner than the old one?
Yeah.
We're gonna need a deep wall 3/4.
All right. Oh.
So Hunter, do you want to explain to the viewers what we're doing here?
Well, we put all of the torque on these U-bolts and couldn't get them tight. And someone here is on the poorer end of the scale, so we're going to clean them up and restore them instead of replacing them.
Yep, I'm
We
poor,
don't have a
guys.
vise because that's not in the budget either, so Pablo's going to stand on this, and you can tell I'm not affected by the budget because I don't have Ryobi tools.
One day I'll be rich like Hunter. All right, Hunter has restored.
U-bolts restored. Now just lather that in some PV blaster and
Couldn't even afford PB Blaster, guys. This is that $2 stuff from the Smothers.
lather it up with the slippery goods and run her home. Couldn't even afford the compression that goes in the can.
What do you think? We pretty tight on these?
Well, I think you're going to be the gauge for that. You got the bigger ratchet.
Oh yeah, that feels good. Yeah, it feels good. Hook up that junky old stock. It's actually not bad.
It's at full extension. We'll have to lift up the car. Ah.
Sorry.
You know what my favorite song is?
What?
You know that one that goes Blinded by the Light? Yeah, that one.
Blinded by the light, revved up like a deuce in the middle of the night. Yeah, that one. That one.
Yeah, I'm really feeling that right now.
I'll pick him up one of these days.
Look at that fat tire coming down. Oh yeah. Well, the car does sit taller, I think.
Oh, when we put the other wheel on, we could compare.
Yeah. Much better. What do you think? The shocks suck.
It's got good stance. It looks taller.
It does. Hell yeah. And I lowered the front with those torsion bars. Once it's all aligned and set, it's going to look good. All right.
We got it raked out.
Oh yeah, we're going with that super raked look. Guys. All right, so we're measuring height right now with the new spring compared to the
Gauge
one.
that at 29 1/4.
I agree, 29 1/4. We're gonna go to the other side. Just using the finger measurement, I know it sits way taller now.
Looking at, wow, 28
And a
and
quarter.
an 8.
Yeah,
That's an 8.
so what, we gained about an inch.
Gained an inch and an eighth.
Awesome.
Made it softer.
Yeah. Awesome. Good
You
stuff.
could do it, the Southern kid way,
Alright guys, so that finishes up the video for this week. It feels so good to finally be working on the Charger. I mean, it's been sitting there neglected for 3 years, but anyway. So in the next video, we're gonna obviously get the new springs on the driver's side, and we're gonna put on this nice pinion snubber. Big shout out to Ron for this pinion snubber. It's an adjustable pinion snubber. Looks good. Can't wait to put it on. Also, I'm gonna get the steering column hooked up because I am doing a Borgeson steering box. It's already bolted up. I just need to get the correct coupler. And then from there, I should be able to drag the 440 out of the garage, order up the heads, and start the assembly of that. The goal is to have the car driving, hopefully 1 year from today. So let's see how it goes. Anyways, thanks for watching and have a good one.